Hi, I'm Celina Vieira and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Apply foundation and blend with a damp beauty sponge. Set your foundation with a setting powder. Apply a light pink shade to your lids as a base color and blend gently. Next, apply a dark pink shade to give more depth. Make sure you blend both the shades really well. Take a fluffy brush and blend gently. Follow this with a baby pink shimmer in the inner corners of your lids. Finish by blending it really well. You can groom and fill in your brows. Apply liquid liner. Apply kajal. Apply bronzer to the hollows of your cheeks. Apply blush to the apples of your cheeks and nose. Curl your lashes. Apply mascara. Fill in your lips with a dark maroon shade. Highlighter on the higher points of your face, cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow and chin. Highlight your brow bones as well. Finish with a setting spray. And we are done. Very easy subtle pink makeup look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.